In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add www to your domain name in WordPress, a process that will refine your site's appearance and could potentially help with SEO and branding. First, let's begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. You'll need to log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu, located on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Under this menu, you'll see several options, but the one we need to focus on is labeled General. Click on General, and you'll be taken to the General Settings page. On the General Settings page, you'll notice two fields, WordPress Address URL and Site Address URL. These fields directly manage how users access your website. To add www to your domain name, you want to edit both fields. Simply click in the WordPress address field and add www in front of your domain name. Make sure that it reads correctly with the HTTP or HTTPS protocol. Repeat this step for the site address field, ensuring they both have identical formats. Once you've made these edits, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button to apply your modifications. After saving, you might be automatically logged out of WordPress. This is perfectly normal because the site's URL is changing. Log back in with your same credentials. Now, it's essential to ensure everything is working correctly. Open a new tab and type your new domain with www into the browser's address bar to see if it leads to your website as expected. If everything functions smoothly, your task is almost complete, but we should not stop here. Testing the site is crucial. Check several pages to make sure no broken links or errors appear due to the URL change. Should you encounter any issues, it's helpful to clear your browser cache and cookies and then refresh the site to see if this resolves the problem. Additionally, double-check that any internal links within your WordPress site no longer point to the old Non Www version. Sometimes plugins or hard-coded links need updating. A great way to handle this is by using the Better Search Replace plugin, which allows you to search for instances of your old URL and replace them with the new one. Finally, remember that changes to URLs can affect your SEO if not correctly managed. Head over to the Google Search Console to update your site settings there too. By alerting Google of the new URL structure, you help ensure your site's visibility stays optimal. That's it. You've learned how to add www to your domain name in WordPress. These changes may seem minor, but ensuring consistency in your website's URL structure can have positive long-term effects, not just for aesthetics but also for functionality and search engine ranking. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any questions if some parts weren't clear.